Hey there, it's Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and this is one of my favorite ways to transfer the design onto the cookie. So I learned to do this when I used to do a lot of scrapbooking. So if you print out your image in the same size as the cookie cutter, you can cut off pieces of it and transfer the outline of that onto your cookie. So here I'm just going to cut out the pencil and I'm going to trace the top of that onto the cookie with an edible marker. And this image is from my new Pencil Pals cookie decorating class for back to school. So I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check that out. So if I was making a lot of cookies, I would trace the pencil onto all of the cookies before doing the next part. So I just cut off the tip of the pencil and then I'll cut off the eraser and the little metal part and trace the line for that. And then I'll cut off just the eraser and trace where that goes. And this way I have everything perfectly proportioned, and now I can just grab the monster and I'll cut out just his hands and trace that part onto the cookie. It might have been easier to place the whole monster on the cookie and trace where I cut out the hands, but anyway, this is how I did it. You can do it either way. And so I'll just cut out the ears now and do the same thing, although the ears would be really easy just to eyeball where they go. And you just keep going along, cutting off pieces as you go. So now I'll cut out the mouth and trace where that is, and then I'll cut out the eyes. And I'll actually use the paper for an idea of where the mouth should go and where the eyes should go. I'm just going to cut the eyes out of the paper, but leave the paper intact, and then I know exactly where to put the eyes on the cookie. And that's it. This cookie is ready to decorate. What do you think? Pretty easy, huh? And this little pencil chewing monster is Wibbly. He's from my new back to school cookie decorating class, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next time.